Ma, try this alu'r dum. Garam garam fulko luchi coming. Looking forward. La!
হাই
Oof. দাঁড়া
লুচি আলুর দম গরমা গরম
আমরা ভীষণ এক্সাইট হয়ে যাই লুচি দিয়ে মাকে একটু আলুর দম তুলে দাও তো ব্যাস। So today breakfast is kosha alu'r dum that I've made. I've shared the recipe before and I've shared it again. Ma and I are having luchi kosha alu'r dum. Today I am leaving for vacation. So from today, for the next 5-6 days, no measured rice. I'm going to eat so much, you will faint. And if you want to see this recipe, keep watching. Heat a pan and add some mustard oil. Add some garam masala, 1 dry red chili, a piece of cinnamon, 1 cardamom, and 1 bay leaf. Add 3 chopped onions. Cook this for a bit. Add some ginger paste and add some garlic paste. Add some turmeric powder, a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, and a little red chili powder, depends on how spicy you like it. Add a little water and cook this till the oil separates. Add 2 tomatoes, some garam masala powder, and some salt to taste. Also add a pinch of sugar to balance the salt. Now cook this till the tomato melts. The tomatoes have melted. I'm adding 8 potatoes cut in 2 halves. Give this a good mix. Don't fry the potatoes from before. Before adding your water to boil the potato, cover and cook them for 5 minutes. 5 minutes are over. Give it a good mix. Basically cook it till the oil completely separates. Add some amchur powder and keep mixing it. The oil has separated. Add some water and now we're going to get the potatoes to boil properly. Once the water comes to a boil, cover it on low flame and cook it for about 15-20 minutes till your potatoes are boiled. 15-20 minutes are over. Now on medium flame, keep cooking this till the gravy is lesser. Basically reduce the gravy because this is a thick gravy. Keep stirring it once in a while. Kosha alu'r dum is ready. Before taking it off the stove, add a little ghee. Give this a good mix and serve it with parathas, puri, luchi, koraishuti kochuri, which is peas kachuri. Usually I like it with that, but today I'm going to have it with luchi. Do give it a try. দেবু
হ্যাঁ
ফুলকো লুচি চাই।
ফুলকো ফুলকো লুচি
Yes.
আর আলুর দম আরো 2-1টা নেবেন যেটা ভালো হবে সেটা।
দেবু দারুণ বলেছে, যেই লুচিটা ভালো হবে সেটা দেখাবেন ভিডিওতে।
কেমন
দারুণ, এই তো ফুলকো লুচি। অনেক দিন পর after a long time I'm having this alu'r dum. I like shada aloo tarkari. Usually I like this with korashuti kachori, that's peas kachori, but excellent. Thank you. I wanted to have a kosha aloo dum. I hope you've seen the recipe. Try.